How to remove saved login info on Instagram. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can remove the saved Instagram info or login info. So without any further ado, let's begin with the video. But before beginning, I want you to make sure to hit the like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to do that, you need to open up your Instagram first and log in into the account from which you want to remove the saved login info from. So after opening up your account, you just need to tap on your profile here. And then after tapping on your profile, you will be able to see this menu bar. Just tap on that menu bar and tap on Account Center. After going to Account Center, just scroll down until you will be able to see password and security. Just tap on it. And here you see saved login. Just tap on it and tap on your Instagram account. After that, you can see this saved login info. You may just turn off this option, which means that login info will be removed from that particular device. So therefore, by following this method, you can remove your saved login information from that device. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.